guys, 2020 250 XC right after riding the 300 XC. Okay, right off the mark, this feels better, and it could be some placebo. It could be the fact that I know this loop already, but it's got plenty of power, but doesn't feel as twitchy, like it's gonna wear me out. Allows you to get into the power a little more. I don't know if it's some kind of weird inertia effect, but it does feel a little lighter. Weird. Maybe if there were more off cambers and climbs, I'd like that 300, but especially if you're normal riding weight, unlike me, and you're maybe 170, 175, this thing I think would be the ticket. Yeah, I like this. I'm feeling this, guys. On this loop, I would take that over the 300 any day. All right, guys, 250 XC TPI. Don't know what it is, but I liked it better on this loop than the 300. Not sure really why, but it felt lighter. It felt a little nimbler. Could have a little bit to do with that was my second loop around, and I knew the loop better, felt more comfortable in the loop, so it could just be placebo. But had all the power I needed, even at 220 pounds, without any of the twitchiness that you get from the 300, because it's so powerful. It's so torquey. Love the 250 out there. Now, if I was, man, I think even in a race situation, I'd want the 250. Now, I think if I was just out cruising, you know, I'm going out with some buddies, we know we're going to be riding for 4, 5, 6 hours. I might be doing some slow stuff while I'm waiting on some more beginner level guys. I might have to creep up some hills. Then I might prefer the 300, but for what I just did, you know, just carrying speed and momentum and going around a woods and fields loop like that, the 250 XC TPI is pretty sick. I really like that. So that was my best experience on a 250 to date. I was pretty sold on the 300 until that ride. So very cool. Let's go do another one.